Behold, the S&P 500 today. This is red. The market is crashing. Again, it's good. Look, this is a video from me like a month ago. I said this. Listen carefully. Hey, buddy. We're almost up 200 euros. I know it's going. We're almost up 200 euros. This was exactly 1 month ago. No, not exactly, but this was 1 month ago. We're almost up 200 euros. 200 euros. Let's look at today. We're down in total 512 euros. In total, 512 euros. And I'm smiling about it. Look, I put 1,000 euros into the account, 1,000 extra euros, and still we're almost break even to when the time was that I did not put 1,000 euros. You get it? Look, we're almost 700 euros in difference from a month ago. 700 euros. I can go to Spain for a whole week with 2 buddies for 700 euros. I could get drunk for 700 euros. Believe me. Now, this is fucking incredible. Why is it incredible? When I started this challenge and this channel about money, I knew the stock market was high. I have experience in the stock market. That's why I'm happy about this. I know when I first bought the S&P 500, it was high. It was pretty damn high. With the AI bubble and all, Joe Biden in power. Now Trump is killing the market with tariffs. Why? He wants this. He wants the stock market down. Why? It's way too high, and this way he can get rid of all the debt he's got in his country. With that being said, let's look at the stocks. First stock, McDonald's. I'm first gonna tell you I have not bought anything or sold anything. I just let it be as it is. Look at McDonald's. This is a first stock. We only have 280 euros. No. Yeah, wait. 280 euros in this stock, and we're still up 17%, which is pretty much actually 17% overall. Now we have Meta. This is roughly 460 euros. We're down 21%. I bought this stock at the absolute peak. Now Pfizer has done awful. I thought it would go up this year, previous year. It's a good stock still. I have 722 euros in Pfizer, and we're down 18%. These percentages are great in terms of how much. These percentages are awful. You want to be in the green, or do I? And this is the S&P 500. I own 1,500 euros of the S&P 500. Total of 3 shares of 501 euros. We are down. This is the S&P, not leveraged, not nothing. Just the S&P is down almost 15%. 15%. It's not a official crash, I think, because a crash, in terms of a crash, the stock market has to crash like 20%, I think. This is more of a correction, but this is just the beginning. I am telling everyone this for the last 6 months. The stock market is too high. It will go down. And I'm not gonna say nobody believed me, but they had to see it to believe me. Because nobody knows if the stock market is going up, down, left, right, is fucking circles. Nobody fucking knows. And I don't either. But I had a feeling. I've experienced these type of situations. I was not there in 2000. I was not there in 2008. I was there in 2020 though, when Corona hit. I was there in 2022, 2023, when the stock market was high. It dropped. Why? No reason. Now they have a reason. Now there's war, the tariffs. Trump is not an owl. He is smart and he plays with money. He's a businessman. Of course, Trump is the world leader actually, because yeah, it's not just America. If America goes down, everyone goes down. Especially here in Belgium. We just follow like the little peasants. But we are down almost 15% on the S&P 500. This is a lot. But in my first video, I did a calculation of every month I put in 300 euros for the upcoming 60 years and I will be a millionaire in 20, 30 years. And this calculator knows this is gonna happen. The stock market in 2024 was up so much. It was up like 60%. It had to come down. Anyways, I bought it. Now we're down 500 euros. And I hope we're going down more because these are sales. I love this. I used to hate it because I wanted to get my money, you know? But now it's on sale. Every stock is on sale. Not yet. Not yet. As of the 4th of March, April, sorry. The 4th of April, April 4th, as you call it in America. This is not the lowest point. I hope, of course. Anyways, I have 1,000 euros to spend. I'm not gonna spend it in individual stocks. I can predict, like, all the defense stocks are going up, and I know the AI stocks are going down. But this portfolio is just to make me rich over the long period. So I'm gonna play it safe and I'm gonna invest in the S&P 500 once more. Let's fucking go. We buy at Cope, which means buy, of course. Limit, we don't want a limit order, we just want a market order. How much? Like two shares. 2 shares of 500 is 1,000 euros plus order. It's too much. Fuck. Because of the market order, probably. So we're gonna do 501. Maybe like this. That. Wait, why is it 1,000? It can. Yeah, blah blah blah. So order has been placed. This is our order. Fuck you. Wait, is it closed? Ah, fuck! It's closed. The stock. This is the stock market of. I didn't realize it was so late. Damn! It's already 6 o'clock and. Yeah, the hour changed and it's still so bright outside. The sun is still up. I'm gonna go outside in a minute. Damn, it's closed. So I have to wait till Monday because today is Friday. This is, of course, from the XET. I don't know. Is it like Italy? Either way, it's in Europe. The stock I want to buy is in Europe, and in Europe the stock market closes at 5:30. So it's 6. So the order is done. You saw me do it. It will go through on Monday, of course, because that's when the stock market will open. It will go through at 9ish. And let's see where it brings us. I am not expecting the stock market to go up. I'm not expecting that. I am hoping it will go down more. I'm also not expecting it to go up. I could have waited. I could have waited way longer. Way longer. I could have waited a week, a month, maybe even a year that the stock market goes down. It's only down like... This is the stock market in 5 years. It's only down this. It's only down 14%. If you look at the dot-com bubble, it's down 40%. If you look at the housing crash, the banking crisis, it's down 50%. Even Corona, which was literally nothing, only for the, how do you say it, the services, I don't know, the restaurants and shit. It was down like, let me get my thing straight. It was down 30%. This was, I don't know what this was. I don't know what this is called, this dip. But it's down 24% for no reason. No reason. This is where I lost a lot of money. But this is down for no reason. Let's look at today. It's down 15%. 15. It can go up. Nobody knows. I repeat, nobody fucking knows. But it's only down 15%. I expect it to go down at least 20 to 30%. I expect a crash. Why? All the people on TikTok, Instagram, they were all here. In this moment, they were all making videos. You should invest. You should look at the low point from here to here is 65%. That's when the TikTokers are making a lot of money, because everyone is a genius when the market goes up. And they were advertising youngsters to buy, which is good. But these youngsters are now in the stock market not knowing what to do. They're 500 euros or they're 1,000 euros. It's not much that they lose, but a lot of people with not much is still much. And they are now thinking of holding. But I was once there. This only has been going on for 2 weeks. Wait for it to go on for 3 months. It may stabilize, but it will slowly go down. What will these youngsters do? They will give in to their emotions and they will sell. When everybody sold, that's a clear sign. You will see a sign from Buffett, Warren Buffett. He will slowly begin to buy again. That's when you know all the youngsters are out, the emotions are gone. This is when we buy. Till these youngsters are still hyped again. Till everyone thinks, yeah, let's make some money. That's when you make the money. When you're already in and then they buy. This is the game plan. Not the game plan. This is not a plan because this is all speculation, of course. But these speculations are repeated like in history. It's every time the same thing and it will go up again. Why? Look at 2000. The internet was invented, yes, but nobody had all the communication. The communication had all these platforms. They were not existent. Now we have TikTok, Instagram. Everybody's telling to buy stocks. Everyone has more money. Everyone wants to get rich. With this all being said, we're down 500 in total. I'm not worried. I expect the stock market to go down more. We're buying on a Monday and we need 6,000 extra euros or I will have to give you $500 or euros to 2 subscribers each, because these were my goals this year and you know that. With that being said, thank you for watching. Just buy stocks, not now, just sell them so the stock market goes lower and I can buy low. But with that being said, Thank you for watching. I'm gonna enjoy the sun. Bye bye.